Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Magic Design in Canva. And here's how it is done. To access Magic Design, simply navigate to the Templates tab in Canva's left-hand menu. Once you click Try Magic Design, the Magic Design toolbar will appear. Uploading via is simple. Just click Insert Video and choose your image or video. From there, Magic Design uses AI algorithms to analyze the content style and generate tailored templates, including options for Instagram and Facebook posts, all designed with complementary colors and relevant tags. Canva Pro subscribers have access to the full suite of templates, which enhances the platform's value. One of the standout features of Magic Design is how it saves time by automatically analyzing content and generating templates. Users can also further customize these templates to suit their needs. Once you are happy with your selection, you can enter the Canva editor to fine-tune your templates. You'll have the freedom to adjust fonts, wording, and even add graphics and animations to create the perfect look. The final result is a personalized template ready to be previewed, downloaded, and used for effective social media marketing. That is everything you need to know about how to use Magic Design in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.